What if your crypto could move with you wherever life takes you? Your wealth is growing, but when it's time to use it, the old system gets in the way. Transfers take time, access feels limited. Your money sits behind walls you didn't build. Vault27 connects decentralized crypto tools with real-world spending power. Trade through the DEX, move value peer-to-peer, and use your card wherever Mastercard or Visa prepaid cards are accepted. The Vault27 DEX lets you swap and trade directly from your own wallet. Less friction, more control. Your assets stay in your hands at every step. Vault27 supports several tokens and coins, with more assets being added as the platform grows. The Vault27 revenue share plan pays up to 9 levels deep. When someone activates a card through your link, you earn a direct activation commission. And when users in your network top up their cards, commissions are paid automatically across the 9-level structure. Build once, keep growing, and earn from real card activity as your network expands. Gain value directly through Vault27. Fast, borderless, peer-to-peer. Built for people who want more control over how their money moves. And when you're ready to spend, your Vault27 card gives you access to real-world payments online and in-store, wherever Mastercard or Visa prepaid cards are accepted. Add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay and spend with confidence. Decentralized tools, real-world spending, borderless access. This is Vault27.